Hello there, my friends. So this is the Series 1 Micro Galaxy Squadron Mystery Vehicle figure. This is actually a Series 2 box that I haven't opened yet, that I bought a while ago. This was from Series 1. You can see it's the Endor Scout Trooper, which is the one I wanted. So I got the one I wanted. There was a possibility of, I think, 5? Here. Oh, 8. There's some mystery ones here. So that's Series 2. I think Series 1 was the same way. So anyway, I got these at Target for $5. Pretty cool, man. You can see these guys are really small. Kind of like D&D size, which is pretty cool too. Like if I compared that to a D&D figurine, I mean, it's close, you know, kind of close. All right, so let's unbox this one and see what's in it. Series 2. Series 2 unboxing. This is exciting. So, probably want a pair of scissors for this. Nice. Squadrons. Oh, got it upside down. Uh-oh, who's this? This is, looks like Leia, maybe. Or, yeah, let's see who it could be. It could be, oh, it's this one here. So is it just a rebel trooper, or is it actually Princess Leia? It's actually cool. This is kind of what I would have wanted out of all of them. So I think, let's take a good look. I don't know. I think it's Leia. Yeah. The only reason is I think, I mean, look at the figure from the profile. The face doesn't look a lot like Leia, but the costume does. Like, so pretty cool. The nice thing about these is that, like, they do, like, their arms do move. The head doesn't move, but the legs do. And so you can actually put them on the bike and they can kind of like feet back here, forward-ish position with the hands on the controls. And then they have this little stand that comes with it, and it says Star Wars. See? Pretty neat. And then there's a little tiny slot here. And this is kind of interesting. It goes like this, which is transverse mount. You wouldn't maybe normally expect that. So cool. So now I can have the, you know, we can have the chase in the forest. You know, oh, he's going to fall off anyway because I'm going to knock him off during the chase. But before that happens, let's get him on there. He's like, here, zoom out of the way. Ah, yay, I'm a rebel, I'm a hero. Oh, I fell off. And that's the way the Battle of Endor ended. And then some guy came in with a sword and was like, I'm going to clean up the loot. All right. Well, if you guys have any questions, let me know. And I'll see you on the next one. The bikes look pretty much identical. So it's basically the figures that are different from Series 1 to Series 2. Let's see here. 2022. Oh, it has the what do you call it? It has the turret. See how like the detail is great. This is also 2022. LFL, Lucasfilms Limited. TM is trademark. Jazz Wares. Huh. Neat. Pretty cool detail in the engine too. Let's see the front. Oh yeah. And the back. Figure. I don't see any trademarks on here. No, sometimes they put them in hidden places. Like, no. Like the one, like the 1979 figures that's on the back of their leg. And the 1995 figures on their feet. But there's nothing on these figures. It's only on the vehicle. Cool. All right, well, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll do more videos like this if you care to see them. And take care. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. May the force be with you.